Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manually pair your Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that your microphones are in the charging case, so they aren't turned on. And then we're going to connect our receiver to the phone. So I have this receiver. I'm going to connect this to my phone and wait for it to turn on. So now that it's turned on, it's looking for its microphones, so it's flashing like that. But we're going to press on this yellow button and we're going to hold it until the lights start flashing faster. Like that. As you can see, now they're flashing faster. And then you can pull out your microphones that you want to pair. So I'm going to pull out these two and just wait for the lights to stop flashing. There you go, there's one. And the other one's also connected. So now they're connected and you can put them back, and once you pull them out again, they will connect automatically to your receiver. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.